Guys, in this video I have a question from calculus trigonometry, and the question is asking if sin x is equal to minus 1 over 4 and sec y is equal to 5 over 4, where x and y lie between 3 5 by 2 and 2 5. Evaluate sin x minus y and cos 2x. So since we have this question, first we have to know where it's going to be. So if I draw the graph, if they say it's 3 5 by 2 and 2 5. So what is 3 5 by 2? 3 5 by 2 is 3 times 180 over 2. So it's mean 270 this line, and this is 360. So it's, they are saying it's probably going to be this quadrant, fourth quadrant, and they have given sin x is negative 1 over 4. So if I take x, this is going to be x value, and negative 1 over 4 mean this is sine is what, opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is negative 1, hypotenuse is always positive, therefore 4. And from this information I can find the adjacent. The adjacent is going to be 4 square. I am using the Pythagorean theorem. 4 square minus 1 square. It's going to be my adjacent, which is equal to this is 4 square is 16. 16 minus 1 is going to be 15, and this is adjacent square. So adjacent is going to be equal to square root of 15. So this is my, this adjacent is positive because x is in positive in this direction. Therefore we know it's 15. And let's say other information is sec y is equal to sec y, and this also in this quadrant. Sec y mean, first of all, sec y is reciprocal of cos y. So if sec y is 5 over 4, cos y is going to be 4 over 5. So since we have this information, 4 is going to be my adjacent and 5 is going to be my hypotenuse. From this one I can find the opposite. Opposite is going to be opposite square. I am using Pythagorean theorem. Opposite square is going to be 5 square minus 4 square. Therefore it's 25 minus 16, it's going to be 9. Therefore opposite is going to be root 9, which is 3. So this is going to be 3, but be careful, this is going to be negative 3 because y is in the negative direction. Therefore this is negative 3, and this is y, right? This is y. So we have x, y, like all the values here. Then let's do the first question. First question is sin x minus y. Sin x minus y. So according to trigonometric rule, it will expand like sin x sin y minus cos x. Oh, it's sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, right? Cos x sin y. So since we have this, we have cos y here. They have given sin x. Sin x is negative 1 over 4. The thing we have to find out here is, I have to find cos x. So cos x is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So here we have found adjacent is, it's root 15, right? Root 15, and root 15 over 4 is my cos x. And then we need cos y is, we have found the cos y already. We have to find the sin y. Sin y is going to be opposite over adjacent. It's going to be negative 3 over 5. So let's do this question. Sin x is negative 1 over 4 multiplied by cos y 4 over 5 minus cos x is root 15 over 4 multiplied by sin y, it's negative 3 over 5. So I have the final answer, like I can find this. It's going to be minus 4 over 20 and minus become plus, plus 3 root 15 over 20, right? So it comes out to be minus 4. Since we have both the same denominator, I can add it directly. It's going to be minus 4 3 root 15 over 20. This is my answer for the first question, sin x minus y. But there we have one more question right here. Is cos 2x, cos 2x, and we have to know according to trigonometric rule, cos 2x expands like cos square x minus sin square x. So cos square x is going to be 15 over 16, right? If I square this one, it's going to be 15 over 16, and sin square x, I have sin x here. Where is that? Sin x minus 1 over 4. If I square this one, it's going to be 1 over 16. So 15 over 16 minus 1 over 16, it's going to be minus, so it's minus 1 over 4 over 16. So since we have this minus 1 over 4, it's going to become positive anyway, so it's going to be 1 over 16. 15 over 16 minus 1 over 16 is going to be minus minus 14 over 16, and this one is minus 7 over 8. Let's check the answer again. So since we have cos square x, right? So cos square x is going to be, so cos x is square root of 15. Square root of 15, perfect. Oh, this is 15 minus 1 is going to be plus, therefore this is plus. 15 minus 1, 14 over 16, therefore it's plus 7 over 8. This is my final answer. So we have found sin x minus y, we have found cos 2x. This is my final answer. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.